T-Mobile password reset issues often stem from several common causes. One major cause is overloaded servers during peak hours, when many users try to reset passwords at once. Network latency can delay the delivery of SMS or email codes needed for verification. Glitches in their cloud-based authentication system can also interrupt the reset process. SIM card problems, such as issues with the linked phone number, can prevent resets. Outdated app versions on devices may not support the latest reset features. A major app crash in late 2025, triggered by a software update that corrupted password reset tokens, impacted millions of users and highlighted system vulnerabilities. T-Mobile's password reset system relies on multi-factor authentication, primarily using token-based resets. This means you receive a one-time code via SMS or email that must be entered within a short time window. Here's how token-based resets work. You request a reset, and T-Mobile sends a one-time code to your SMS or email. This code is valid for only 10 to 15 minutes. For email resets, you receive a message with a reset link or code. This provides an alternative to SMS. Security layers include verification of account details, such as the last four digits of your SSN or linked phone number. The system uses OAuth 2.0 for secure token exchange. Issues can arise from integration with third-party services like email providers. Redundancy is key. T-Mobile recommends alternative methods if one fails. Start by checking if you're using the latest version of the T-Mobile app. Outdated apps often contain bugs that can interfere with password reset functions. Open your App Store, search for T-Mobile, and update if available. Next, clear the app's cache and data to remove any corrupted files that might be causing issues. This refreshes the app's stored information without deleting your account data. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, T-Mobile, Storage, Clear Cache Data. On iOS, offload or reinstall the app. Restart your device, whether it's a phone or computer, to refresh network connections and clear temporary system issues. This simple step often resolves connectivity problems that prevent reset codes from being sent or received. Check your email's spam or junk folder for the password reset code. Sometimes legitimate emails get filtered there, especially during high traffic periods. Search for emails from T-Mobile and mark them as not spam to prevent future issues. Verify you have a stable internet connection. Password resets require reliable connectivity to send and receive codes. Switch between Wi-Fi and cellular data, or reset your router if using Wi-Fi, to ensure the process works smoothly. Finally, confirm your T-Mobile SIM card is active and properly inserted. A loose or inactive SIM can prevent SMS-based resets. Check for physical damage, ensure it's seated correctly, and contact T-Mobile if you suspect it's deactivated. If the app reset fails, try using the T-Mobile website on a computer. The process is similar, but using a different platform can bypass app-specific issues. Here's how to reset your password on the website. First, go to tmobile.com, click Sign In, and then Forgot Password. Enter your phone number or email address. Then follow the verification steps to complete the reset. If both app and website resets fail, call T-Mobile customer support at 611. Explain the problems you've encountered. They can manually reset your password after verifying your identity. When calling, be prepared to answer security questions or provide account details such as the last four digits of your social security number, your linked phone number, or your account PIN. This verification ensures your account security. Remember, security verification is required to protect your account from unauthorized access. If you suspect your SIM card is compromised, or if online resets consistently fail, visit a T-Mobile store. A representative can verify your identity in person and reset your password. This is especially useful if your reset issues stem from a stolen SIM card or unauthorized account access. Bring valid photo identification and proof of account ownership. T-Mobile is investing in AI-enhanced authentication to detect and resolve reset failures in real time, reducing downtime significantly. Another trend is increased integration with biometrics and zero-knowledge proofs, minimizing reliance on vulnerable SMS methods. Zero-knowledge proofs allow verification without revealing sensitive data, enhancing security for authentication. By 2027, experts predict a 50% drop in password reset complaints through blockchain-based secure identity solutions. T-Mobile is also piloting app-based digital wallets for seamless resets, making authentication more convenient. In 2024, a cyber attack on a subcontractor disrupted password resets for 40 million users. This led to a revamp of T-Mobile's supply chain security. In 2025, an app update caused reset failures for 5 million prepaid users. A rapid patch fixed this, highlighting the risks of rushed deployments. These examples show the importance of iterative improvements and robust security measures. Cybersecurity experts recommend that T-Mobile shift away from legacy SMS systems toward biometric authentication for more secure and reliable password resets. Statistics reveal that T-Mobile users report reset problems in 25% of support interactions, which is higher than Verizon's 15%. Gartner analysts predict that by 2028, 70% of carriers will adopt AI for password resets. Consumer Reports notes that 40% of users bypass app resets for phone support, highlighting inefficiencies in the current system.